ever heard of ravioli, tagliatelle और gnocchi? I know थोड़े अजीब नाम हैं और थोड़े डिफिकल्ट भी हैं, लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि ये जो सारे नाम हैं ये इटालियन क्लासिक पास्तास के नाम हैं? अब अगर आप सोच रहे होंगे कि नाम इतने डिफिकल्ट हैं तो इन्हें बनाना कितना डिफिकल्ट होगा, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So guys, worry not. I, Chef Poonam Bindra, is coming live with an amazing masterclass only on MasalaBox at 4:30 p.m. on 5th August, where I am going to be making all these pastas from scratch. And not only that, guys, also we'll be making amazing 3 mazedar sauces like puttanesca, along with that some creamy pesto with some tomato and ricotta filling, and best one is my all-time favorite, alla Sorrentina gnocchi. Isn't all these amazing and something what's tempting you? So guys, what are you waiting for? Mark your calendar and get ready to make these handmade pastas, perfect sauces and everything only in the masterclass. Click on the link in the bio and register soon.